Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing without a website for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do product reviews to let you know if certain products are legitimate or not as far as you making money online. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. In order to be an Amazon affiliate, you would just search Amazon affiliates. It'd be the top one right here. You just go there and sign up for free, and you get up to 10% commissions on any Amazon product. So what I wanted to show you first of all is you want to pick a niche, something that you're interested in, something that you know a lot about, ideally. I'm going to give you a couple of examples of how you can use Amazon affiliate program to earn money online. First one is a YouTube channel called Fight Mediocrity. So this channel is based around book reviews. And you can see they almost have 1 million subscribers, but it's very unique in that their videos are animated, but then in the link and the description below the video, they have a link to that book. So that's how they have used the Amazon affiliate program here. There's another person right here. He has over 1 million subscribers, and his channel is all about product reviews around electronics. So you can see, like this one here, he reviewed this headset, and then he's got his Amazon link down here, and that'll take you to the Amazon site, and it'll link to that product he's reviewing. So you may pick a certain niche and then do product reviews around that niche, and then have a video that is of value, and then have a link to the your Amazon affiliate link. So I'm going to show you how you would get that. You'd go to product links, and I'm going to give you an example of a video that I did 5 years ago that I'm still making sales on. Let's just say it is, my product was the new cybernetics. Okay, and then you would click on Get Link. And then you would click on text only and short link, and that's going to give you your shortened Amazon link. So let me show you. 5 years ago, I put up this video on the new cybernetics 21-day plan, and I had a good video about that particular topic. And then in the description below the video, I have a link to the audio book. And I do get sales from that from time to time. I got one the other day. It was for $2.15. And I don't do anything with this video. It was just, I put it up 5 years ago, and I put that link on there, so you can see right here. But if you can imagine, if you started doing a lot of videos around a certain topic and they started to rank, you could get some good traffic to all those videos and start making sales every day. So I didn't really keyword optimize this video when I did it, but I'm going to see if I'm ranked. I'm going to go into an incognito window here and see if I'm ranked for that keyword, or how high I am. I think I am ranked somewhat for it. Let me see here. Okay. Okay, you can see the Fight Mediocrity is number 2 there, and you can imagine they probably make a lot of sales. Well, I think that this particular keyword, I don't know what happened here, was 320 searches a month for that. So they may make a few sales a day. Let's scroll down here and see if we can find my video. It's right there. So, you know, I can go to Fiverr and put a better thumbnail there and get some backlinks to it. So maybe I could rank a little bit higher and get some more sales every month. That's just one video. So if you have a lot of videos that are ranking for different keywords, you can start to get some good sales. So that's a way that you can use the Amazon affiliate program to be able to make money online. Again, that's the Amazon affiliate marketing without a website. You don't have to have a website. You can use banners on a blog if you have a blog. And when they click on that link, click on your blog and they buy something, you get commissions on everything that they buy in that particular shopping time. I think it's up to 24 hours that anything that they buy, you'll get a commission on as well, because I've had that happen to me too. They go in and they buy quite a few things. So that's a great way that you can make extra money online. And if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also I wanted to let you know, if you're interested, the #1 recommendation that I have for making money online, I'm going to leave that in the description below this video. That'll be the first link down there if you want to check that out. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.